Astronomers recently discovered something bizarre that is happening near the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Sagittarius A star is tearing apart a strange, mysterious object with its tremendous tidal forces. Astronomers have been observing this event since almost 2 decades and are wondering what is going on. This is the Universe Factory, and in today's video we discuss about this strange event that is taking place at the heart of our galaxy. Was it pulled off a larger structure nearby? Was it unusual from the result of stellar winds, or was it shaped by jets of particles from the black hole? We will try to shed light on these questions. Are you constantly curious about the space and the universe? Do you want the big questions answered? Then do subscribe to the Universe Factory, followed by pressing the bell icon next to it. It would mean a lot. This way you will not miss any updates that we post regularly. Also, find us on social media platforms. Check out the links in the description. Our Milky Way galaxy has a central supermassive black hole at its heart known as Sagittarius A star. An object named as X7 is a dust filament cloud, and it could be 50 times more massive than the Earth. Approximately 26,000 light years away, this strange and enormous cloud is being stretched due to the immense tidal forces exerted by the black hole. The new images have revealed that this cloud is on the brink of being ripped apart by the black hole. The observations have revealed that this doomed filament has gradually stretched as it has wrapped itself around the black hole, and it is now as long as 3,000 Sun-Earth distances. X7 is among other objects that have been found revolving around the black hole in an elliptical orbit. The observations campaign that began in 2002 provides new insights into the processes governed by powerful gravitational forces exerted by Sagittarius A star on its surroundings. Researchers have observed significant changes in the shape of this gas cloud over the past decade. Notice how X7 has elongated over past 2 decades, more than double of its original size. This spread is around 3,300 astronomical units, that is 3,300 times the average distance between the Sun and the Earth. A higher resolution near-infrared image has revealed that X7 is being fragmented. It has gone dramatic changes in the past 2 decades, unlike any other object in that region. A filament like X7 is an extreme object in an extreme environment. Even though it's traveling at 490 miles per second, its orbit around the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way would take 170 years if it were to complete it successfully. But it does not have much that time to finish one orbit around the black hole. It was created few decades ago, and it will be destroyed few decades later. In just 13 years, astronomers expect this cloud known as X7 to be torn to shreds by the extreme environment. So you have to be kind of lucky to observe this object shortly before it was destroyed and after it was created. Even though X7 is zipping around Sagittarius A star 26,000 light years away, and its fate was sealed about 25,987 years ago, that's still 794,000 light years closer than the next closest supermassive black hole in the dwarf galaxy Leo. This means astronomers will have a close-up view of what happens to a gas cloud very close to a supermassive black hole. You cannot have that anywhere else. Along with the Keck telescope used to observe it since 2002, the James Webb Space Telescope is scheduled to take a look at the Sagittarius A star and X7 in the coming months. Webb Space Telescope observe in different spectra than the Keck Observatory, and this will give us insights into the structure of the thing. In the meantime, while X7 is still with us, astronomers will just keep on monitoring as long as they can. So there you go, a gas cloud being noodled into the center of the black hole of our own galaxy. So what do you think of it? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you found this video helpful, do subscribe to the Universe Factory and smash that bell icon next to it. This will be the encouragement to create more of such videos for you. Follow us on social media platforms as well. We will be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Till then, keep looking up.